My name is Ryan and I study applied science at Otago Polytechnic. I chose to study applied science because I was 22, I didn't have a direction, so I just wanted to try something new and reconnect with myself by exploring my passions. I love how hands-on the course is, and I can explore different opportunities in different environments in sports, exercise and health, and I can have a greater impact on the community. And by having this impact, it's quite fulfilling and gives me a lot of purpose. In the degree, I've been given the chance to work with the FIFA World Cup, coach a team, and this year I'm working with the Dunedin Young Professionals. It's been great to use my hands-on skills and what I've learned in the class to apply myself. Through my lecturers, I feel supported in this environment because they encourage us to try new things, get out there and just jump in the deep end. And along this journey, they're so supportive every step of the way. They encourage you to step out of your comfort zone and try new things and even make mistakes, and they're there to sort of catch you when you fall. They're here to help us every step of the way and make sure we're getting the right education and we're learning the right skills. If you're passionate about sports, exercise and health and working with people in the community, then applied science at Otago Polytechnic is the right course for you.